Hello everybody and welcome to a presentational video in which I'm gonna show you our 3D NFT showroom that we have developed for one of our clients, that is Cosmic Universe. And I'm gonna now launch the app and demonstrate the thing itself. Okay, so the game is running. And we have play demo here, and the thing that I'm gonna be focusing on is NFT Showroom, and I'm gonna click here while it is loading. We have the user interface itself, and here's the thing, it says loading here, and this is because it's fetching data directly from the blockchain. So this is a proof that this particular app is directly communicating with blockchain. So there is no preloading or things like storing data offline. No, this is a direct communication with blockchain. And let me guide you through the user interface itself. So here we have our 3D characters, and you can see on the upper left corner it says current ID 188, and on the bottom right corner we can see go to mint. So this is a button that takes you to the mint page, mint web page, and you can mint over there. By the way, in this particular build version, I don't have it so that you can mint your NFTs from the app itself, but that's something that we have developed in another version. And I'm gonna now click on go to mint, and it's gonna open up a web page. And as you can see down below here, recently minted elves, and we have 188 as the last minted ID, and you can see how these guys look: 185, 186, 187, 188. So green, and pinkish or purplish, whatever that color is. And let's go back to the app itself and check if that is correct. And here I can just type in the numbers: 187, 186, 185, and I can even type in number 1. Number 6 in particular came out pretty well looking. So what's the value of this app? The value is that you are allowing your players, your buyers, customers, users to directly investigate and experience their characters, their NFTs that they bought from you, from your project. And this is much more valuable from other solutions like 2D PFP, aka profile picture NFTs, which are 2D. I'm not gonna say almost useless, but they are. Anyway, I'm gonna keep bashing for other video. Let me guide you through the user interface a bit more. So we have previous and next button, and as you can see, the swapping experience is very smooth. You can even quickly scrub through different numbers here, and it's all happening in real time. This is real-time 3D, there is no cheating, this is not a pre-recorded video or anything. This is as real as it gets when it comes to actual 3D NFTs. And not only that, these 3D NFTs are in-game playable. So the first selling point or point of value is these are 3D NFTs compared to 2D NFTs that I mentioned, or aka PFPs. Second, and this is a huge thing, as you can see, this is an app, a 3D app, or a 3D app that is sitting right inside the game. And the owners of these NFTs for Cosmic Universe project they are gonna be able to play with these particular NFTs. So if you minted, let's say, number 98, for example, if you are the owner of this particular NFT character, that means that you will be able to use this particular character and play with it in the game itself once it is launched. And here we have more options, such as you can swap between different cameras. We have body camera, head camera, and body camera. And previous next, something that I've already showcased. And here we have a drop down menu, which is for animations, and this lets you play different animations. So my character is now dancing. This isn't my character, but the same thing. It's the same thing. Dancing and spell casting. You see how cool it is. Let's switch to number 6, because this particular combination came out to be pretty well looking. So there is more. The point is, there is much more dimension and content compared to other solutions, and this is something that allows your users, your potential NFT buyers, to experience NFTs before they opt for buying. So let's say that I have no NFTs whatsoever with this project, and I can open up this app and say, well, you know, these characters look pretty good, and you know, I want to buy one. And let me go click on mint and go to web page and mint. Like, this is a huge selling process booster, conversion booster, because it allows you to demonstrate the NFTs in 3D, in actual 3D world, how they are gonna look like once they are minted. And this is a huge thing when it comes to selling. And of course, on the right hand side, we have traits. We have, of course, I mean, obviously, gender traits, skin tone, headwear, hair, and all the other traits. And as you can see, if I change characters, they are being updated as well. And this is being updated directly by fetching data, by retrieving data from the blockchain itself. In our case, that would be Avalanche blockchain. And like I said, there is no storing data locally or cheating in any way. This is as direct as it gets connection with blockchain itself. And like I said, for this particular build, I don't have this option exposed, but on the bottom left corner, we are gonna have, in the public version, we are gonna have the ability to buy tickets for minting and mint NFTs from within the app. So your users, I mean Cosmic Universe users, wouldn't necessarily have to go to website and mint over there. And I'm gonna also open up mobile version of the same app. It isn't 100% polished, and I think you can hear the music playing. Yep. Let me turn off my bedtime mode so that you can see colors better. And here it is. It's the same thing, and we have the same functionality, literally. And here in this particular build version, here on the bottom left corner, you can see, hopefully, that we have buy and mint options. So that's the thing. So the point of me demonstrating this app is to say that this can be multi-platform, this app still has direct communication with blockchain, and we support Windows PC, Linux PC, Android, iOS, VR as well. For this particular project, we don't have VR build ready. It's unclear if we are gonna have it, but we can do it. That's the point. Let me now switch the animation or character, and here you can see this spinner box, which allows you to quickly swap between all the different characters. And like I said, the value of something like this is that, first of all, you are bringing NFTs, or if I may say, the product, the actual product that you're selling, you're bringing it closer to your potential buyers, to your customers. And in my honest opinion, it's very hard to turn down something like this, because you can see the actual product, how it's gonna look like before cashing out, before committing to buying process. And the second thing is convenience, because you can allow your players to mint NFTs straight from the game itself or the app itself. What else we can offer? We can also have trading NFTs, so we can have marketplace itself be embedded in the game itself without having to go to website. I mean, by default we can do it. We're gonna have that. That's fine. We can do it by default, but it's extra convenience, you know. Why torturing, why forcing someone to go outside the app while you can have the whole thing, all the features within the app itself. Also, another thing that is an option is, for this particular project, we have the system so that once you click on mint, it returns a random combination of traits. So it's like a lottery kind of thing. But what is also possible is to allow players to customize characters themselves personally. So let's say I want my character to have this jacket, but I want it to have this hair. So I want to customize my own NFT. I don't want to play lottery. I want to pay premium to have my NFT customized how I like it. And then we could offer that as well by allowing players to configure their individual traits here, for example, and then mint that particular combination as they see fit for themselves. Last but not least, characters are like the default thing when it comes to NFTs for whatever reason, but characters are not the only type of NFTs or 3D NFTs that can be minted. You can have weapons, items, potions, structures, houses, all kinds of in-game different items, land plots, animations. So we are gonna have, what we can do is allow players to literally animate characters, customize their animations, their movements, and store them as NFTs. Also, what is important, by using ERC 1155 protocol, these NFTs are dynamic or can be made dynamic. And what's the point of this? If you want to upgrade your game, your NFT collection later on by means of adding additional traits, not mutating the data itself, that's something that you cannot do because this is blockchain, right? But adding additional traits. For example, let me see what we could add. Maybe hat or shoes. Yeah, something like shoes. Well, eventually we could add that once the game gets upgraded or whatever. So you are not necessarily limited to the initial set of trait groups that you set at the beginning. So that's a great thing. And also what is possible to have is aging NFTs, another feature of making them dynamic. So imagine this character is, for example, in his 30s, for example, and then we can have it so that he's aging to 40, 50, 1000 years old, whatever you want to make when it comes to your game. And also, I think I mentioned your NFT land plots can have pretty much the same set of features. That's something that's in works at the time being. But the idea is pretty much the same. Bringing NFTs potential to in front of potential buyers and increasing the conversion process. And I think I've covered everything when it comes to demonstrating our 3D NFT showroom done specifically for our client Cosmic Universe MMORPG game. And that's it. Stay tuned. Make sure to visit our website or link in the description. That's gonna be somewhere around. And thank you for watching. And if you are interested into something like this, don't hesitate to reach out and stay tuned for more developments like this. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.